Yes, sir. First of all, sir, thank you to describe myself.
Hmm.
I'm a Chetan Shankar Bhagat,
Mm-hmm.
and first move on my just education level. So my higher graduation is MCA. So I'm completed BSc graduation 2016 to 2019, and
Mm-hmm.
my MCA graduation 2020 to 2022. If we are see the pandemic is going on,
Mm-hmm.
so side by side, yeah, work and side by side I'm doing the my full time MCA graduation.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah. So now move on my professional work. So I have the 4.9 years experience in this industry, and I have contributed for the two companies. So my first company is Capgemini. So this is I am joining after 2019. Uh, after 2019 is for the campus round. So in the so we are so you are heard about the Discover Mastercard Visa.
Okay, so you currently you are working in which organization?
Intelli Design Arena.
IntelliDesign Arena.
Oh yes, sir.
This is a part of Polaris Financial, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay, got it. So, Chetan, what kind of technology have you used in Java, Java version, and other part of framework? Which one you used? And you
So
are compatible in front end as well as back end?
no, so I'm a Java backend developer. So
Mm-hmm.
I'm using the Spring Boot, Spring MVC.
Mm-hmm.
So for deployment process, I'm using the Jenkins.
Mm-hmm.
So database level, I'm using the MySQL, PostgreSQL.
Mm-hmm.
For communication of the microservice, I'm using the Kafka.
Kafka. Okay. So, database you have, and you have aware about version tools. Which kind of version tools you have used?
Yes, sir. So I'm using the Java 8.
No, no, version tool just like GitLab, Bitbucket. Which one?
So I'm using the Git.
Git. Okay, is that things I am asking. You much aware about TypeScript as well as Shell script. Suppose sometime you need to connect with the some different servers. So how do you connect? You have basic knowledge of that commands.
Yes, sir. For I'm using the shell scripting
Mm-hmm.
for my first in Capgemini for the Discord project.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, yeah, so that is our just middle backend, the Linux Unit shell scripting using to using the just like servers for the handling the just transactions using the
Mm-hmm.
nodes. So creating the script according to our jobs
Mm-hmm.
and
So
just like
okay, let's sufficient. Now moving on, another question: what kind of methodology you follow during the development of the project?
so,
Methodology,
as,
you know,
yes, sir. I am using the agile methodology.
agile. Why agile? What is impact on the productivity if you are using agile methodology?
So basically, agile methodology we using for the development purpose.
Mm-hmm.
So if we see the agile methodology is a project management approach
Mm.
that involves the breaking the project into the phases and the just implies the continuous collaboration and the
Mm-hmm.
improvements.
Okay.
So it follows the cycle planning and the executing the evaluating the read on build just like some data and manage the all the things.
Okay.
So
So now I just want to ask you a few Java coding questions
yes, sir.
because of it is mandatory for all of candidate. Suppose so. For example, I'm just giving just one moment. Can you open this coding? Yeah, I'm just opened. I will paste you one question.
Yes, sir. Sure.
So I have a one question. Just one moment. How to find the duplicate element from the list without using asset and stream API. See my question. You got?
Yes, sir. Is the question? Yeah.
So can you write code in this in the same?
Sure, sir. Little things. If I am not using the asset and string API. So remove that element, right? So remove the duplicate element.
Yeah. No, not remove. Just you need to find the duplicate element. And just I'm also writing the one snapshot for list. Suppose you have list as a string. Okay. So here you can add A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and you some repeated value you also can write here.
Okay, sir. Sir, I will route it.
Okay, so you please write quickly because of we are have time only 30 minutes.
So can I directly route the this logic? It's okay.
Yeah, you write logic and you but write in this command because of it will be monitored. You have
Yes, sir, sir. I'm wrote it.
you write so here I can see just click on the coding. So you will get the uh, tool where you write. Yes, here you write. So I can see here.
Yes, sir. So basically, I am created one list. And object in that.
You take as a string, not a object, because of here need to be casting or anything else.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
So you write quickly because of this is having 10 to 15 minutes.
Yes, sir. So if we see A, A,
So you are writing two loops, right?
Yes, sir.
So without two loops cannot be performed.
So it should be, sir, easy to perform that and not using the headset and stream APIs. I am
No,
just only
but
doing.
it would be work within one list, because of if you can use uh, this another list duplicate is equal to new, you have defined first for loop um, if list my list dot get I contains, yeah, duplicate list is equal not contain, okay, any value in the list then can be added in this list, else can be move it. So suppose one first time one is added and is moved to next, so a already have added, so in that scenario it will not consider, so I need to two loops.
Oh,
Right,
yes,
I
sir.
am right or wrong?
Yes, you're right. So I'm just thinking about if I am not using the iSet and stream, then I
Because
will
of these two loops basically used for the sorting aspect, not used to for the single list and finding the duplicate element by using two loops.
yes, sir.
So okay, no problem. So I will ask another question. In Java 8, what kind of things you have feel in Java 8?
So also asking about the Java features.
Yeah, Java 8 features.
So I am using the just like for each default and the statics method functional interfaces,
Mhm.
Java Stream APIs, Java Time APIs, collection API improvements.
So, in Java 8, right? Stream API, functional interface. In functional interface, for example, I'm adding default static method and one abstract method. So that interface will be called as a functional interface, or any other interface name would be there.
So functional interfaces, in the functional interfaces we are using only the one abstract methods.
Hmm. And
So the
can be defined static method and default method in the functional interface.
so yes, sir, because just like can we define the functional define yeah, we can define it.
So it will be work or not
So it should be work.
work.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if I define two abstract method in functional interface, what will happen?
Two abstract methods. So first of all, they will be called just like its abstract methods are those that do not require implementation during their declaration and
Mhm.
must get overridden by the classes implementation of the interfaces.
No,
So
suppose it will be defined two abstract method, so it will be compile and run.
so it's we only won the one abstract methods in that. So I got, I guess we can can't, so we can contain multiple default or static methods, but we only the one abstract method. So if we wrote the two abstract methods, so we have got the error.
Error. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And Spring Framework, Spring Boot. You much aware about microservices?
Yes, sir.
So why we are using microservices? It is costly rather than monolith application, or it is a less cost than monolith application.
So basically, sir, microservices allow us the e-services to be the independently scaled to meet the demand of the application features. Just
Mm-hmm.
like it's just like it enable to teams write the size infrastructure needs and
Mm-hmm.
accurately measure the cost of the features. So maintain availability if the service experience has a spike in the demands.
Mm-hmm.
So mostly, I am sir, I am working as a in a financial domain. So most of the things are different in that. So we are using the agile methodologies and the microservices for
Mm-hmm.
connecting the different models through our microservices, creating the different
So,
microservices.
what security features you will utilize in microservices? Security features, you know?
Yes, sir. So basically, for the security features, we are using the JWT tokens
Mm.
for security features.
JWT token, right? And
Yeah.
apart from that,
So basically, in Spring Boot or sir for the microservices.
yeah, microservices. Microservices, you know,
So
microservices just as a Spring Boot, what methodology you follow.
yes, sir. Yes.
Microservices can be right through the Spring Boot, right can be through the
Yeah.
Python, right can be through the other language, but I am not much aware about other language. But we can write it.
Yes, sir. So basically, sir, if you see the for the authentication or authorization methods,
Hmm.
so we are using the basically some different source for the security purpose,
Hmm.
and we use the just previous databases or maintenance requirements, or as well as ensure that the customer trust for supporting invitations.
Hmm.
For and also we use the control the communication between the microservices for the TLS, the mutual TLS for verifies the identity both parties, the network and connections, and virtual microservice security
So
as well as.
you aware about design pattern of microservices?
Yes, sir.
So which design pattern have you used?
So design pattern we are using different for the database for service pattern also I am using.
Hmm.
For each microservice, O needs the database, ensuring loose, just like loose coupling for the high coincidence. And these are each microservices to use the database types.
Okay, Chetan. So I think time is going to over. 20-minute time, 25-minute time is there. So I have explored your basic concept. So I will give the feedback to our HR. Let you know. Okay.
Sure.
Apart from that, you want to ask anything else?
Yes, sir. I'm just asking about if I'm selected. So can you please tell me about the domain of the projects or what kind of demo domain we are using?
Domain basically I'm not much aware about because of this is the bulk hiring. So apart from once you selected, so that team and HR and the project manager will decide which project need to be deployed.
Okay, sir. And sir, another question is, you have any just about about just like how many rounds are happens for the interviews?
I think this is your first round, screening round. So another round would be as a technical, and thereafter other process because of let you know the HR, but I have
Okay,
two
sir.
technical round. So rest of things will decide by the other higher level, means manager will take your round or HR will take your round, means as a other discussion like that. So it is depend on these two technical round. So based on the further process will follow.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah, hi.
Hi, Vipin.
Yes.